Welcome back to Wheelcraft Studio, where passion meets precision and every ride is explored with a keen eye for detail. Today we take a deep look into the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Maybach Vision 6 unofficial concept, a creation that stands as more than just a car. It is a moving sculpture, a vision of luxury, power, and futuristic elegance wrapped together in one rolling masterpiece. This concept has sparked conversations across the automotive world because it combines Maybach's heritage of opulence with Mercedes-Benz's ambition for future innovation. It is a showcase of what grand touring could look like when cutting-edge engineering is blended with artistry and timeless design. The Vision 6 immediately captures attention with its commanding presence. The body stretches beyond 6 meters in length, making it one of the longest coupes envisioned for the modern age. Its low roofline and elongated hood provide a silhouette that looks both classic and futuristic. The proportions recall grand touring cars of the past but infused with an ultra-modern approach. The gullwing doors open with dramatic flair, a statement that this machine is not bound by ordinary conventions. Every line across the body flows with precision, sculpted to guide airflow while also delivering a sense of timeless elegance. Chrome detailing accentuates the deep body curves, and the large Maybach grille at the front dominates the face of the car like a signature of authority. Underneath its sculpted exterior, the Maybach Vision 6 concept is imagined to carry an advanced electric powertrain. Engineers envision 4 compact electric motors, one for each wheel, providing fully variable all-wheel drive. Together, these motors are expected to deliver nearly 750 horsepower, enough to push this luxurious giant from a standstill to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. Despite its immense size and luxury, the acceleration figures place it among high-performance sports cars. The large underfloor battery pack is rumored to provide a range of over 200 miles, designed with fast charging capabilities that can replenish significant driving range within minutes. This emphasis on electrification highlights Mercedes-Benz's long-term vision toward sustainable mobility while still delivering the uncompromising performance that Maybach customers expect. Step inside and the interior reflects an unmatched commitment to luxury. The cabin is designed as a private lounge on wheels. A sweeping dashboard curves seamlessly across the interior, integrated with digital displays that blend into the design rather than disrupt it. Ambient lighting wraps around the cabin, creating a futuristic yet soothing atmosphere. The seats are finished with the finest leather and accented with exquisite stitching patterns that recall Maybach's heritage. Wood and brushed aluminum trims add warmth and sophistication, ensuring every surface radiates quality. Passengers are immersed in comfort, with individual reclining seats, personalized climate control, and an advanced infotainment system that responds naturally to gestures and voice commands. The concept emphasizes wellness as much as luxury, offering features such as seat massaging, aromatherapy, and intelligent cabin air filtration to create a sanctuary-like experience. The technology inside the Vision 6 does not stop at comfort. Mercedes-Benz imagines advanced autonomous driving capabilities, allowing the car to navigate highways and urban streets with minimal input from the driver. However, true to the spirit of a grand tourer, the driving experience remains a centerpiece. Steering is precise and responsive, with active suspension adapting seamlessly to road conditions. This balance between autonomous relaxation and driver engagement ensures that the Vision 6 remains versatile, catering to moods of indulgence or spirited control. On the exterior, wheels are oversized and multi-spoked, designed not only for aesthetics but also aerodynamics. The thin strip of LED lighting that outlines the rear gives the car a futuristic appearance at night, stretching the width of the body for a dramatic visual effect. Every exterior element communicates the Maybach identity of prestige, from the intricate grille to the detailed side mirrors. Even small touches like illuminated logos and flush door handles emphasize refinement in every aspect. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Maybach Vision 6 unofficial concept is not merely about transportation. It is an exploration of what luxury will mean in the future, combining sustainable electric power with the richness of materials and the drama of design. It connects tradition with innovation, reminding enthusiasts that even as cars evolve into electric and autonomous machines, craftsmanship, beauty, and driving pleasure must remain at the core. Here at Wheelcraft Studio we celebrate machines that push boundaries and spark imagination, and the Maybach Vision 6 stands as a bold statement of where the future might lead. It is not yet destined for mass production, but concepts like this guide the evolution of automotive design. Stay connected with us for more reviews, explorations, and insights into the world of cars that inspire dreams. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe to Wheelcraft Studio and join us as we continue to journey into the most fascinating rides of tomorrow.